What's up everyone? Today I'm with the crazy Russian hacker, and yesterday we did a video where we took our LifeStraws and we did a taste test with them. Which one is that, yours or mine? Oh!
Oh! Oh! We done Coca-Cola, milk, whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, we wanted to see if the LifeStraws would take the taste out of the drink, like remove the taste completely, but no, that didn't work.
Yeah, vinegar was the worst.
Yeah, the vinegar, the pickled eggs, gross.
Let's clear that pickled juice out. Oh, that's so nasty.
You got it everywhere, dude. Everything we could taste. So whoever tried pee and poop water with this stuff, I don't know.
There was a lot of people did that video.
The toilet water, yeah. I wonder if they taste it.
We're about to drink our own pee.
You trying to psych yourself up?
Yeah! Let's do it! Ah! That's bizarre. Oh no! Oh, get it off me! It's dripping everywhere! Get away from me! Oh!
Alright guys, so I have here Marlon's pee. Actually does taste like water.
It's still a little yellow.
Oh! It's so dramatic. It's warm. Gosh!
Okay mga crew, last testing. Ihi ni CJ. Okay, here you go. What? Parang nangyari, lasang tubig nga. Oh my goodness.
That's pretty gross. But a lot of the comments you guys left on his video, the LifeStraw video, what was it? Drinking Coca-Cola
Out of a LifeStraw.
out of a LifeStraw taste test. You all wanted to know what it looked like inside. So we're gonna cut it open and see what it looks like inside.
I'm honestly excited to see as well.
Yeah, I've never even seen inside of a LifeStraw. Taras is getting his safety glasses on. I got my cut resistance gloves on. Let's do it.
Wow, professional.
Look at that. Look at the other one.
Alright, let's cut the other one. Kids, do not try this at home. Wow, look at the fibers.
You can see all the juices coming out of there. We cut the LifeStraws, let's look inside. This is cool.
Wow, it doesn't look like it's really tight.
Just this fiber. What is this stuff?
Look how weird this is.
It's like rubber bands.
You know it's weird? Dennis, check this out.
Dude, it smells like rubber bands.
But look at it, it's not even that tight inside there.
Yeah.
How does that actually filter it?
Because, yeah, you're right, because if you're actually pulling in the juice, it could go on the outside.
Maybe it opens up or something, but I don't know, this is kind of sketchy.
So basically, the LifeStraws look like a bunch of rubber bands that are broken.
Yeah.
It smells like rubber bands. They feel like rubber bands. They're spongy, or what do you call it?
Some kind
Elastic?
of plastic, yeah. That's an interesting
Well, how does
filter.
this filter out the bacteria? Does the bacteria stick to these little rubber things, or what?
I guess so. That's so
I don't
weird.
know.
Honestly, I was expecting to see layers of layers. You've seen filters before,
Yeah, I was
right?
expecting to see like a little bit of like a Brita filter or something. It's
Yeah,
like that
some
black
kind of-
stuff with some kind of fiber or some kind of cloth that collects things.
And
it goes
usually it's all the way really tight packed. If you look at this one, check this out. It's not even that packed.
yeah, it's not. Look, so you have all this open space on the sides. So if you're sucking up any liquids through the straw, I wonder if any liquid will bypass this filter and go up the sides.
Yeah,
That's gross.
yeah.
Look, this stuff in here, it literally smells like a rubber band. And that's what the filters look like, these big long strings, a whole bunch of them packed in real tight together like this.
I don't think it'll bypass to the beginning because it's stuffed really good at the end, feels like it. But still, it's so unique and weird. I don't know.
You know what, I want to see what this looks like.
Yeah, cut that open. On the inside, let's see if it can come off.
There we go.
So you see, it's not going to bypass because there's glue inside of it.
Ah, yeah, the glue inside of it prevents it from anything going up the sides, huh?
Yeah, so this is why it's so hard to drink to it in the beginning. Look how tight that is.
Yeah, that glue, I guess, blocks all that open space on the sides, huh? Yeah.
Let's try to chop it one more time. Oh, look at that. That's like anatomy. Oh, there's a glue inside
Yeah, look,
here.
there's a little
It's
plastic.
like a rubber thing, yeah.
Yeah, a little sleeve. There we go.
Wow, that's the beginning of it.
Yeah, so nothing can escape up the sides. That's interesting. I just don't get how these little things are really stopping any bacteria. Like, I wouldn't drink toilet water if I knew this was gonna be the filter.
Yeah, I never seen a filter like that. But you
It's
know
just
what?
rubber, it's like rubber band. It literally
I looked
smells
it
like
up.
rubber bands.
This LifeStraw, this one does not protect it from viruses.
Yeah, viruses.
So do not drink out of the toilet.
Yeah, this stuff literally smells like a rubber band.
It feels like plastic big times.
It's like a rubber band,
Yeah.
like a rubber band that's been hardened.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, and when the rubber band gets old, they just break like this.
Yeah, they just break like this. It's like old rubber bands, like they recycled. So if you ever want to know what happens to your rubber bands when you recycle them, they probably get turned into LifeStraws.
No, it's not that bad, but I don't know what it is. Let us know in comments below, what is that stuff?
Now that we showed you what's inside of a LifeStraw, answer this question in the comments below. Would you still drink toilet water with this LifeStraw?
Oh, it still tastes like toilet water. Oh god, that's the nastiest thing I've ever drinking.
Filters so well that you can even drink from a toilet. But just because you can doesn't mean you should. Seriously, stop it.
No, because it still would taste it like. And also it does not protect from viruses, just bacteria
Just bacteria.
and parasites. So don't drink very, very bad water.
I don't know, let us know what you guys think about this video in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't seen the video Taras and I filmed where we're doing the actual taste test with the LifeStraws, link is in the description below.
Alright guys, see you next time.
Peace out. This is gross. All it really does, it looks like, is it's gonna remove the dirt from the water, all the thick stuff. It's gonna get caught up in this web of rubber. If you're drinking toilet water and you're using this stuff, not gonna stop any viruses from getting through, that's for sure. The bacteria will get caught up on this rubber stuff, you know, and get caught up there. But seriously, I don't know. Look at this. You see that little black stuff right there? That's pretty much what it's gonna look like, I guess, when it's dirty. Either way, let us know in the comments below what you guys think of this. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you next time.
It burns. It burns. Definitely tastes like vinegar.
Dude, my stomach is